Okay, Dr. Sauce, when do I need my sauce foam cannon and why?
Well, you would need a sauce foam cannon if you have a pressure washer, and you would need it when you're going to wash your car. Um, the way we sell it is comes with an attachment. You can hook it up to your pressure washer, and then obviously if you know how foam cannon works, you put a little bit of soap in there, the rest is water. You can control your mix of your water and your soap here, and you can control the pattern at which it sprays here. But let's say you don't have a pressure washer. I can get you the next best thing with our foam gun. So our foam gun, basically the same theory as our foam cannon. You put a little bit of soap, the rest is water. It hooks up to your hose, comes with this thing, which you plug into the end of your hose, and then it's almost like a gun, where you plug it in there, and now you have your soap mix here with your water coming through. You can also adjust how much water versus soap, how much soap versus water you want to come through, which will be your end result of your foam. And then you can always just, what I do is I just leave this on the end of my hose. And I just plug this in when I need to soap it up. So that should have it. So if you have a pressure washer, get our foam cannon. If you don't, and you just have a regular hose, you'll want our foam gun.